Alright you guys, so we're driving off to Copart right now for maybe another project car. I'm not sure. Thing is, I already have a 1997 BMW M3 that we're rebuilding. You guys see it on the channel, and we're gonna continue with that rebuild. Don't have too much time, but something popped out on Copart. It's in Sacramento, so let's go check it out. Alright, wrapping this video up, 2002 BMW M5, the E39 body style. So, don't gotta explain how great this car is. You guys probably seen all those videos, read the articles in magazines, and a lot of people actually respect this car, including myself. But let me just throw in my 2 cents. So, why would I want this car? Well, it has that nice manual transmission. You got that nice sounding V8 under the hood, so if I step on it, I'll definitely hear it, and it will sound pretty nice. You got the 4 doors with a nice leather interior and no compromises to the handling at all. So me, the driver, will be controlling the car and not the computers. Pretty much one of those BMWs made that they don't really make no more, so of course I'm gonna want it. But this car does hold a salvage title. It was totaled out and it has a damage to the front end. So I seen it on the Copart, ad, seen the pictures, and it was in my area, so of course I'm gonna check it out. So what are my first impressions? About 30-40 feet away, kind of glanced on it to the left, and I thought to myself, what a wonderful world. No, I did not, because the damage is actually more than expected. A little more, not too bad. So we continued kind of looking around. Really no dings or dents other than just replacing a couple window seals. You guys even seen that headlight has pretty much no sun fade at all. Peaked undercarriage looked okay. No crazy damages, nothing like pretty much rust or anything like that. Suspension looked okay. To my surprise, looked under the engine, didn't really see any oil leaks even. Looked pretty dry, maybe something tiny, but nothing major, which was good. But then my next impression was when I opened that door, actually seen some stuff, which made me think that maybe the past 7-8 years somebody was not really taking care of the interior, because this car has good quality leather on it. So if you upkeep it, add some oil, some conditioners, clean it up, not even that much, just like once a year or something, and your interior will be pretty nice. But this one looked kind of dry and cracking all over the place. The door panels and the dashboard and the seats was kind of making me not really want it, you could say. But you guys, that's pretty much my impression. That's the only thing that made me not really want the car. You guys comment down in the section below. Should I add another project car alongside the E36 M3 that we're building, the sedan as well, the manual? Or should we just pass on it? You guys comment down in the section below. That's pretty much that. Wanted to bring you guys at least the content if we don't get it. So there it is. I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned to 405 Bros. We out.